Hello, everyone. So, in one of my earlier videos, I've talked about how to avoid certain words that may make your writing a little bit not as exciting as it could be. Um, so, when you're revising, the question is, how do I find those words that may be a little repetitive, redundant, or overused? And this is an easy way you can do this um, with Google Docs in particular. That's what I'm using. And I will actually have another video about how to go through and find each one. It's really pretty simple once you learn how to do it. And all you need to do is hit Control F on your keyboard. And you could also do this with Microsoft Word as well. I believe it works the same. Now, for this video, I'm going to focus on transitions and trying to make sure that the types of words that I'm using have enough variety. So I will also have another link to another video where I talk about using variety in your writing, which improves the voice of your writing and improves your writing style. So here is a quick way to do this. So Control F, and let's say I'm looking for a word that I know I maybe overuse. And for me, that word is therefore, okay? So I have therefore, and it tells me just as I thought that I used this word at least, 3 times in my writing. So I'm gonna look through and see those instances. Now I see right here, and therefore must be done by humans. That's my first use. Then my second use is at the end of the same paragraph. Here is the therefore, okay? And then I have another one more toward the end of another paragraph. And what I would do to revise this for variety, what I would go in and use a different transition that means the same thing as therefore. So one example could be thus. It is easy to see. So now when I have that different transition in there, it's not going to sound like I'm repeating myself constantly throughout this paper. And then if I look down, I have one more. Now I could decide to leave this. It's kind of far from the previous use of therefore. However, I'm going to go ahead and change it just for this quick tutorial. So I could use consequently, and something else as a result. There's many different transitions you could use there, but this is just a quick tip on how to go through and find words or phrases that you use too much. Maybe you have a word or vocabulary word you like to use a lot, but you may not even know how much you use it. So I'm going to talk about more of these types of things in my other videos and writing tips that will help you. So make sure you like, share, subscribe if you are able. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.